My name is Aryan Raj, the group leader, and I am going to explain the project related to local community engagement platform. Now, my team leader Priyanshu Verma will explain the project overview of this project.
So we have created a local community engagement platform on web development using MERN Stack. We have used MongoDB for database storage, Express for APIs. We have used Node.js for server-side development and React.js for front-end development. So now we will go one by one on all the steps which have been involved in the development of this project.
Now, first we have a home page where a nav bar contains home, events, calendar, and login. First is events where we can upload our events. If the event is not going, it will come into past events. A new calendar where we can save our date. A login page where we can make our new ID, and also we can make change our passwords and other things. Also there is a sign up button where we also have to make a new id, also a connect button where all the members which have signed up in this platform, all the members are shown in their in the conduct connect platform. Now Divyansh Gangwar will explain the remaining part of the homepage.
So we have another button as news page where we can get all the latest news related updates, and also there is a search bar in it. So whenever we'll click on news page, it will come it will come in this way, and we can search our local news as well from here. Now we'll go now after this homepage there is the information about our website, and at the below there are the links to there are various links which tells about our company's page, and there is a footer down below at our homepage. Now let's go to the login page, which will be explained by Priyanshu Verma.
So when we click on login page, we have two options. Either we can sign in if we are previously a user, or we can just if I am a new user, we can sign up. So I will now show you how to sign up. So here is the link for sign up. So now I'm just using a test user. Just putting a random contact detail. For community also, we can just like go into community 1, and just I can use the any random email. We have to like create a password, that is obviously necessary. So we when we click on sign up button, it says user created successfully, which means we have entered all the perfect details. Now we can use these details to sign up. We will save the ID password. Now here is the profile of the user. We have a profile description section, profile and personal information. You can see all the details which we mentioned during the sign up are shown here. We have here 4 buttons through which we will be using to create an events, view the community members, edit profile, and view the events. So here is the create an event section where we can create an event. So now Divyansh will like explain all the other procedures.
So from here, I would like to tell about type of event, where we can simply type what kind of event it is. Like for example, here we can say it's a marriage ceremony. For place of event, we can directly give information about our city. Like for example, we can take Indore. For name of event, we can just give a test value like test of event creation. And for the date, we can access this calendar facility which has been implemented here. So for example, like it would be on 31 July, and we can give information if volunteer is needed or not. For example, whenever this will be posted to the community, a community member can give his/her update. Will he/she will be available to connect on event and help us by the means of volunteering. So for example, let's take it. and here we update our event. So event created successfully will flash up. From here my friend Aryan will tell about events page.
If anyone has created the event and login, then the event page where show up what the type of event is, date, place, and the type of event. If anyone wants to volunteer in the event, then there is a click button which where we can, if anyone touches yes, then he has a chance to volunteer. Some the upcoming events are shown here, and the events which are past are shown in past events. Now next part will be tell by Priyanshu.
So whenever we create yes, then the you can see the message volunteered successfully. That means the user has been registered for the event. And one more thing we have mentioned here, put here, that is that the user who has created the event, he himself cannot see those upcoming events. That means it will not be a clash, like if he is seeing a same event for the same date, then it must be put by some other user, so it will not get he will not get confused. So now we can like move on to our profile page. We have another button here, that is view community members. So whenever we click on this, the people belonging to the same community are displayed. We have these two users in our database, like we have created them for reference. They all belong to the same community, so it is the message is being displayed through the email ID. They can connect with each other. Then we have an edit profile button, which gives access to user to edit their profiles and also add some profile description. So for example, here I am just adding, I am a test user. So you can see when we click here on save changes, the changes gets reflected on the profile page itself. And we have here all those this I am a test user, which we added just now. The next is view my events. Here you can see the events created by us. That means the user who has created those events, he can see those dates and also the list of volunteers. Since this event has been created just now, so there is no volunteers list, but we can show you some other profile where the volunteers list will also appear. So let's log out this. So when we click on sign in, we can see here view my events. This user also hasn't created any event. So like we will now we can do one thing. We can do a volunteering for the event created by the last user, that is user 6. We can see here test for event creation. He will just click want to volunteer, yes. So his volunteering has been successful. And now we will see the profile for other user. We will just log out this one. User 6, the password and ID has been saved. We just sign in. Now see here, view my events, that user which we last created, who clicked on volunteering successfully, has been updated here. So this is all about our profile page. Now
This is
the rest things will
overview of our whole project. Now Divyansh Gangwar will tell about the last news section. Oh, news section is overally completed. This is the overview of our whole project. Now I will explain the connect page. Here is the total number of users which have registered for the website. Here is the name, email, and community of the page. These are sorted in alpha.
so
This is the all the features of our project. Hope you understand all the features of our project.
And now we will talk about some future enhancements which can be done. So first of all, let's just log out. So one thing which can be improved is that the authentication of emails and contact as well, which can be connected to OTPs for real users and not robots. And some more things like
Some more things like when calendar is opened, there is a sign that this event is booked on this date, and this event is booked so that there is no clash of many events in one date. These are the some of the future enhancements in our projects. Now the
So this is a overall view of our website. So here we would like to end about the description of our website. Thank you for having time with us. Thanks a lot.
thank you.
Thank you.